How to buy TOKITO token. So before we start, it's not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next accounts and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see here, guys, it's available on the screener. So the liquidity here are locked by $97. That's good. It's meaning your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, now copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that I will use the BitKit. Now go to your wallet, select the network to base network, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here, and as you can see, it's our token. Now click on plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token. For that, scroll down, and as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. After that, click on swap and switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, but make sure first that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy TOKITO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.